of bhakti also. Next sutra is Gunarahitam. This one, Gunarahitam. वो गुण में अटका नहीं है, त्रिगुणास में अटका नहीं है, रजो तमस सत्व गुण रहितम, उसको कोई गुण नहीं है उसका, ठीक है. कामना रहितम, नो डिजायर्स. क्यों डिजायर्स कहाँ जाता है फिर? The whole deal is all of us, okay, especially the women, we all feel that मैं पूरा दिन काम करती रहती है सर्वेंट की तरह. दिस इज स्टैंडर्ड डायलॉग. मोस्ट women would have given it in their lifetime, especially to their spouses. पूरा दिन काम करना पड़ता है. What am I a servant or something? And all this we say. I will tell you a simple perspective that hit me today in the morning. What you need to do is, right now what we feel is, I am working for my spouse, for my in-laws, for my wife, for even the men who go out to work, you know, they also feel, अरे कमाना पड़ रहा है, 2 बच्चे 4 बच्चे जो भी है उन लोग के लिए, you know, I'm so tired but I have to earn. And the female feels, अरे what is this? All this has become too common. Think about it in this way, that I am working because he has appointed me to work here. He is the boss. Krishna ho, Shiv ho, जो भी चाहिए आपको. He is the boss. He has appointed me, employed me for whatever. मेड बोलो, CEO बोलो, CEO भी मेड ही है, ठीक है, और बॉस का मेड है वो. ज्यादा ऊपर चढ़ने का जरूरी नहीं, सब लोग वही कर रहे हैं. Everybody is working for somebody, okay, whoever it is. It could be working for your wife, husband, whatever, it doesn't matter. Everybody is working for Krishna. Suppose we take Krishna. Everyone is working only for Krishna. ये बीच में बॉस पति पत्नी कहां से आया? Why do we feel we are working for that one? We can't. Only he can make us work. Only Krishna can make us work. So each time when somebody makes you do and say, you prepare this for me or you do this, boss भी अगर ऐसा फाइल फेंकता है ना, बोलेगा ला रे कृष्ण ला इधर, तेरा फाइल मैं पूरा करता है. Whole deal is, whoever gives you whatever work, मैं उसके, I am employed under Krishna. Simple. What we felt is, वो भजन करती है ना, वो कृष्ण के लिए करती है, तभी कृष्ण ने उसको एम्प्लॉय किया. हम लोग बर्तन धोते हैं तो कृष्ण ने नहीं एम्प्लॉय किया. Really? No. Every work is by Krishna. Krishna is the boss. There is only one Purusha. The rest all are females. So Krishna is the boss. उसने सबको अलग 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 काम दिया, हम लोग सबको, ठीक है. जो भी काम आ रहा है, look at it and say, अच्छा कृष्ण ये काम करा रहा है मेरे से, सही है यार, तुम जबरदस्त काम करो. फिर वो जो हम लोग को लगता है ना मेड और नो, ये सब चला जाएगा. These are all ego issues. Forget about it. We feel we are very educated, but what to do? We have to wash vessels. We have to do to clean the toilet and all. It doesn't matter. अगर आश्रम में गए ना, गुरु सबसे पहले टॉयलेट धोने को लगाएगा. Seriously, I'm telling you. They will make you wash the washrooms. They will make you clean the rooms, make the beds of all the rooms. A lot of work will be there. And that time we'll feel, arey, I'm in such a high post, I never even folded my bedsheet. Look what Guru is making me do. But Guru na, I will do. Arey bhai, Guru na, I will do means yahan bhi wahi karna hai. Okay, see, when we say that, okay, sab mein Paramatma dekho, it's not easy. Admitted, agreed upon, okay? किसी में परमात्मा मत देखो, लेकिन जो कर्म ये शरीर से हो रहा है, जो भी हो रहा है, वो कृष्ण का ऑर्डर्स है. I am doing it because Krishna has told me to do this. Krishna is making me do this. So वो कराने वाला वो है, वो बर्तन धुलाए, बाथरूम धुलाए, भजन गवाए, नृत्य कराए, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? It's all same. There is no high class and low class. No, not with Krishna. No. So every time you get into the kitchen or you get into the office or wherever you're frustrated, Krishna मेरे से ये सब काम करा रहे हैं. Krishna is making me do all these works. Finish. There itself, the anger, the frustration, the irritation you may have on your in-law or husband or wife or what, boss, सब चला जाएगा. चला ही जाएगा. Because that moment you will feel, ये कौन है बोलने वाला? Do you really think somebody can order you about? Without Krishna's permission, मुंह भी नहीं खुलेगा उसका. Whatever is happening with us, whoever is telling us whatever, is because we have certain karmic bondages with those people, and it has to be cleared. Okay, and when it has to be cleared, they will appear in our life to clear it for us, and Krishna will take care of us. Only switch needed is turn the mind around, thinking कृष्ण का ही लीला है, मेरे से ये करवाया जा रहा है, मैं खुशी खुशी क्यों नहीं कर पा रही? Why am I not happily able to do what the Lord wants me to do? Whatever it is. There is no good, bad, something high, something low, कुछ नहीं. अभी ये भी जो हो रहा है, ये जो हो रही है, भी कर्म हो रहा है. अगर बैठ गए और पता है कितना टेंशन है मेरा लाइफ में करके मैं बैठ, एवरीबडी विल बी ऑफ, वीडियो सबका बंद हो जाएगा, नेक्स्ट सेशन नोबडी विल बी देयर. इट डजंट मैटर व्हाट इज सेड, हाउ, किसके लिए हो रहा है, उसके लिए हो रहा है, कौन करा रहा है, वो करा रहा है. अच्छा, इसके बाद जाके किचन में जो काम होएगा वो भी वही करा रहा है. ऐसा नहीं कि अभी कृष्णा थे और जब किचन का डिनर प्रिपेयर होएगा तो भी कृष्णा चले जाएंगे. कृष्ण के लिए ही हो रहा है, कृष्ण के द्वारा हो रहा है, कृष्ण ही करवा रहे. सिंपल लाइफ बिकम्स सो सिंपल, everything becomes simple. Then suddenly mother-in-law will come and say, you cook this for me. Then you say, yes madam, definitely. कृष्ण का ऑर्डर्स आया लगता है, नहीं तो मदर-in-law का मुंह से कुछ निकलेगा नहीं. It is because it is to be said that she has to say. बॉस अगर डांट रहा है तो भी वो सब सेटिंग हो चुका है. You just chill and you just get into the role, do the role and step back. और मिस्टेक is हम लोग रोल से निकलते नहीं. Imagine Sridevi or some heroine playing the Durga, okay, with all makeup, and then she comes home and she doesn't remove the makeup. कैसे होएगा? नहीं होएगा. उन लोग इमीडिएट तभी का तभी स्क्रीन जैसे डायरेक्टर ने बोला कट, वो जाके फेस वॉश कर लेते हैं. They remove all the makeup, all the muck that is on the face. हम लोग उन मेकअप नहीं निकालते. We keep the makeup of Durga, Kali and Bhadrakali and everything. And then we say, Arey, morning, I'm very tired. Obviously, with so much makeup, if we sleep, remove all the masks. We are not the roles. None of us are the roles. Boss होके सो मत जाना, please. कोई बॉस लोग सोना नहीं, हाँ? इंसान होके सो जाओ. बॉस तो ऑफिस निकलते ही बॉस, you're out, no longer a boss. We all know. So the whole deal is, whatever we are, wherever, is just a role. And why and who is making us play, why we don't know. Who is making us play is Krishna. तो जैसे किसी का order आया, immediately Krishna ने बोला, switch that. Because right now we are not in a space to look at someone and think, ये परमात्मा है? No chance. We will be like that. I know that. Okay. So अंदर से सोचो, ये जो भी है, परमात्मा मेरे से ये करवा रहे. Krishna is making me do this. I am for Krishna. Simple. Surrender to Krishna. तू करा रहा है ना, ये करना है, चल ठीक है. Who am I to decide? Who am I to decide कि ये सही है, वो गलत है, मुझे वो करना था, ये करना. बार्गेनिंग क्यों कर रहे हैं हम लोग कृष्णा के साथ? He knows the best. He knows what karma I have with whom and where I will reach and how. Everything he knows. हम लोग क्यों टांग डाल रहे बीच में? Let us just play the role and quit. Quit is important. Okay? हट जाना है पीछे. रोल खत्म, मैं खत्म. हम लोग का क्या है, रोल चालू ही रहता है 24/7, नींद में भी. Don't do all that. Play the role. जो भी रोल है, enjoy. Now remember this, as soon as the session is over, somebody or the other will come to you and say something, and that time remember, okay, Krishna told me to do this. That's it. And do it happily as if you're doing for Krishna. Then it doesn't matter what work it is and for whom and how they ask you to do it. He's ordering me about what she thinks of herself. She's ordering me about whoever it is. Whole deal is उन लोग को order करने के लिए रखा है. आप मुस्कुराओ ना, आपको किसने टाइट पकड़ के रखा है? You smile. Why? Because मैं तो कृष्ण के लिए कर रही हूँ, ये जो भी बोले. ये सामने वाला जैसे भी रहे, मैं तो कृष्ण की हूँ. Finish. That's how we surrender. That's how we smile through all the challenges that come in life. Knowing that they are not the reason. I may have done something for which I have to face all this, but still Krishna is with me and he is only making me do this. So his order, whatever it is, his command, my action. Simple. Make this. Uska command hai, मेरा एक्शन है, ठीक है, डन, देन यू फ्री, देन nobody can trouble you in this life, nobody. Right now I feel he or she is, you know, telling me, इतना हिम्मत किसी में नहीं है, कृष्ण को क्रॉस ओवर करके मुंह खोलने का हिम्मत किसी को नहीं, किसी को नहीं. So understanding that there is a higher power operating through everybody, making them do whatever they are doing. Okay? Surrender. And life becomes simple. Then it's a game. Then it's a play. Then it is fun. Tab tak nahi. Tab tak it's like, I am this, I am that. If today you are not working, okay, women who are highly educated and not working and in the house doing all the works, think of yourself as blessed. Very few people are blessed to be sitting in the house doing satsang. कितने लोगों को ये ब्लेसिंग मिलता है और हम लोग बैठ के कर्ज कर रहे हैं, अरे मैंने इतना नहीं कमाया, उतना नहीं कमाया. क्या करने वाले थे कमाई लेके, क्या किया? Don't worry about that. If you're able to attend the satsang, if you're able to be in satsang, if you're able to spend 2, 3, 4 hours just chanting the Lord's name, what else do you want in life? Aren't we blessed enough? अभी बॉस है और important फाइल करना है, उसके बीच में कृष्ण कृष्ण तो नहीं कर सकते हैं, वही करना पड़ेगा. So the whole deal is, if you have time on your hands and nobody is deciding what you will speak during those hours, be in silence, be in Nam Smarana. We are blessed. Really, we are blessed. We feel, look at that one, she has become that, you know, CEO, and see, I am doing nothing. I could have also become. And what? How many lives do we want to become that only? No, we are blessed. Understanding we are blessed is going to release us from all these miseries. We are blessed to be just sitting at home and having time on our hands to do whatever we want. Because working under somebody is not easy. There it's very challenging to be doing Nam Smarana. At home, whatever you do, you can be dancing, singing, chanting, listening, Shravana, Kirtana, sab chalu rahega. It is so much fun. It's liberating. So it doesn't matter what you were and what you are. The very thing that we are able to express, we are able to feel, we are able to attend the satsang, be in the right company is itself a blessing. So feel gratitude for that. Okay? Money क्या है? आएगा जाएगा संसार का है. Okay? It will come now. Okay? गुण रहितम कामना रहितम. So no कामना. क्या चीज का डिजायर है? क्यों डिजायर चाहिए ही क्यों? ठीक है?